this tutorial video, you will learn how to create made-to-order products and use capacity in Inventora. If you have products made to order, this is the easiest way to manage them in Inventora. On the left sidebar, click on Products, select the product, and for this, you will set up your product and the materials used to make the product normally. And then once your product is connected to your e-commerce account, you see that I have an integration with WooCommerce in this specific product. Click on Edit Details and scroll down to the bottom to switch the sync method. As you can see, we have two options in the drop-down. In addition to choosing the sync method, you can also sync the quantity of a product you're able to make, which we call a stock level plus capacity. To have more clarity on this, you should understand these two terms. A stock level is the quantity of a product you have in stock and ready to ship. Capacity is the quantity of a product you're able to make based on your raw materials. When you click on a stock level plus capacity, for made-to-order products, you will prefer the automatically deduct materials option, or you can also create product cards that this will create a production card which you can use to track the products you need to make. Hit save and the new stock level plus capacity will be synced to your shop. Lastly, if you want to know the quantity that you can produce with your current material inventory of one of the products, click on the product and in the top you will see capacity. There we will show you the number of pieces you can create with your current material inventory. You can use these options when you want to always show this product in stock as long as you have the materials for it. Also, when you want to avoid having a sold out product being shown in your shop, or when in fact you can make the product even though you don't have the product already made today.